Hi guys, this is Abid and you are watching Trading World. Welcome all of you with another interesting video on cryptocurrency. So what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency and I'm sure all of you have listened and watched so many news about cryptocurrency and especially Bitcoin, how Bitcoin has performed during 2020, 2021. It has performed very well. And after watching and seeing that performance of BTC, most of you people would think that you can also double your money, but don't go for it. Because first you have to learn, first you have to build your skill level to trade in cryptocurrencies and other coins available in the market. But don't go behind this. First learn, and once you have cleared your concept, then you can decide whether to go for the investment in cryptocurrencies or not. So first we explain what the cryptocurrency is. So cryptocurrency is a digital form of currency, and it is used for the purchase and sale of goods and services and for the making payment transactions. So what the purpose of cryptocurrency has so many benefits and advantages over other currencies, and we will discuss some of the advantages here. The first advantage of cryptocurrency is that there is no transaction limit. You can make unlimited transaction, and you have all the access to your money 24 by 7. You can anytime you can transact your payments, your collections. So it was first introduced in 2013. After that time, we have seen so many hike in Bitcoin prices, cryptocurrency prices. But that is another discussion we will discuss in another video. But the purpose of today's video is to is to give you concept about that there is a digital currency in place now, and world is using it. So crypto has another benefit, that crypto is decentralized currency, which means that nobody is controlling it like an institution or a government. No government or no bank is controlling the cryptocurrency. It is a decentralized and it is controlled by the blockchain technology. So blockchain technology is another new word for you. We will also explain what the blockchain technology is and how it works, and what are the advantages and complications in blockchain technology as compared to simple currency market, simple currency transaction. These all we will discuss in later videos, but this video was just for the introduction, and I will also note down your response to this video. If your response is very good, if your response is well, then I assure you, you will be watching so many videos on the related topic like cryptocurrencies, on forex trading, on stock exchange trading, and other things. So stay connected with us, like and share our videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. uh, Take well care of you. Goodbye.